say bananas, you say peppers. And once again, I was captivated by a miniature mystery item I saw on TikTok. I think that these are actually items that we have unboxed before, but they were just like miniatures. We already knew what we were gonna get. It was like an item you can just buy on Amazon, and these are encapsulated in a mystery fashion. So it's world's smallest, which I know you guys have had to have seen. Does that sentence make any sense? I know you guys have had to have seen these before yourselves. I love this little mascot. He's a little ant. I almost said he's an alien. Maybe he's an alien ant. So yeah. I have been seeing people open these like pretty much every single day. I get this item at least once on my TikTok For You page, and there are lots of options. Now, right off the bat, I will just say, I wish that the mysteries that you could get in here were items that you could not buy separately on their own. But I'm pretty sure each and every one of these, like mystery minis, you can just like go to Amazon and buy it instantly if you don't want a mystery in your life. The one that I think everybody is on the hunt for, which it might be my favorite out of here, is the super teeny tiny little Care Bear. We also have Scrabble. What is the other one? Monopoly, I think. I don't even know what this is. Color Forms? I never had that as a kid. Miniature Polaroid camera. How awesome would that be? SpongeBob SquarePants. Ninja Turtles. Nerf Foop. I've heard of a Nerf ball. What is a Nerf Foop? I don't even know, you guys. I have been yelling. I already filmed a Graveyard Girl video. Well, I filmed half of a Graveyard Girl video, you guys. I had a product that I thought I was gonna like. I thought I ordered like the right hair color combination, but alas, we're gonna have to dye it. So I filmed half of a Graveyard Girl video. I forgot to say sippy sippy. So I have 5 of them to unbox today. I got these from Walmart the same day that I got the Rainbow High mini mystery shoes. So let's go ahead and open it up. And I wonder if these, you can kind of like tell what the mystery is going to be based on weight. Like this is like a very heavy box. Also, I have to update you guys on the handbags. Because if you guys, well, that video is already live, so I'll link it to you guys down below. But the mini mystery Rainbow High handbags, that's a mouthful. There are Shadow High ones as well, because we're on the quest for the lock bag. And I think you can only get that one in the Shadow High boxes. Oh my gosh. So I think in order to like, hopefully complete that quest of getting the mini Moschino style lock bag, I think I'm gonna have to find those in person so I can pick the Shadow High, like the gray and black mystery boxes versus like the rainbow ones or the orange ones, just in case anyone cared. Y'all, this feels like so weird in here. So yeah, it does come in a mystery bag. It also comes with a chart. We'll look at that at the end of the video. What? Oh my gosh. I love this stuff. Yes. You know what? I think that this is just like for visual though, whereas if you get the full size of this, you actually can take the sand out, but it's called Foam Alive. But look at how cool this is. We did this, I think, in a $500 Amazon stress relieving shopping spree or something. Okay, it's a little stuck in there. Wake up. Well, actually you can just like maybe look at it and just watch the sand slowly fall. We are getting a hella reflection here on the plastic. But yeah, I love this stuff. It's so soothing. I'm trying to remember what it reminds me of. That sentence makes no sense. You guys, I didn't even see this like as an option. Yeah, which honestly like fills me with hope that there are other items. That is like nowhere on the box that I can see. Oh, it says includes mystery items. I don't know if they just mean overall, it's a mystery, or if they mean like you can get items that they don't show you on the outside packaging. We're gonna film until the camera overheats, like the whole screen is dark now, so we might have to take a break mid-video. Oh my God. You guys, I just had an experience and a half. Okay, this is very odd. It was SpongeBob. I was very excited. Then I dropped him and I thought I broke him, but it's like the face like comes off. I have never seen SpongeBob look so frightening. Truthfully frightening. What episode is this even from? So it almost looks like the face like opens or something. Like I thought maybe it's like a Mr. Potato Head, but maybe that is like where you can get different mystery, like a different mystery experience. Does that make sense? Like maybe there's different SpongeBobs with different faces and then you can like swap the faces off. You guys, okay, I don't see a hinge. So I think I'm just hopeful that he has a different face. This is also like weird. The face keeps falling off. I don't know. I have like mixed feelings about this one. Are there any other faces in there, Mr. SquarePants? Okay, now I'm just gonna break him. Okay, we'll consult the chart later and maybe that will have some more answers for us. You guys, only 3 more chances to get a Care Bear. I guess you would know instantly if you got a Care Bear because it would feel not like plastic inside. I'm starting to think opening 5 boxes in one video is not enough boxes. Ooh, yes. Okay, I'm so excited. Yay! This is like one of them that I really, really wanted because it's even a keychain, which I think is so cool. And it's the mini Polaroid camera. So cute. Now, I have also seen online, which beware, there might be a tiny flashing light. No, it just makes this sound. Look, the picture, the little like Polaroid picture actually comes out. You could even like maybe put a sticker, like print out a sticker of like one of your own pictures and stick it on there. And then it would look like an actual say cheese. You can even like, okay. Was that a one time? Okay. You can actually like see through the viewfinder. I was trying to say cheese. There we go. That is so cute. I love this, honestly. Definitely favorite thing so far. Although the sand was pretty cool. Okay, let me switch the batteries and then maybe we can finish this marvelous video. Forgot to show you guys. This is like my newest Betsy Johnson piece that I found on Poshmark. I think I need to like learn how to stuff the sleeves. I feel like this looks so much cooler, like the puffier that the sleeves are. Only 2 left. Are we gonna get a Care Bear? Hopefully. No. Repeats. Chart. What is this? Ooh, it's a Ouija board. They do have world's smallest Ouija board. Can you imagine if I just got that? Oh, you guys, we get to see what the notebook thing is. Color forms. I never ever had these, but they look kind of like they could be like a ye old item. I feel like that looks like an old kind of font. I'm like so scared of chipping my brand new. I just repainted my nails and I swore I was gonna do a different color. But you guys, Cajun Shrimp is now my favorite nail polish. I feel like every year I get a favorite nail polish and then I just paint my nails that for a whole year. And this year it's been Cajun Shrimp, which I bought just for the funny name. But now it's not a joke anymore. It's actually my favorite. It's an OPI shade. Wow, you guys, this is like a whole, what are these like faces? Are we supposed to like recreate these? Okay, this is like maybe something I have seen before. Oh my God. Okay, so we have, ow, they're like coming apart. Oh my God. Okay, so it is almost, it's like literally coming apart. Oh my gosh. So this does look more familiar to me now, although I feel like there used to be like a, almost like a whiteboard texture, like a white sheet where you would like peel and stick, and they're like little cling film things. So we have a red sheet, a green sheet, a blue sheet, a yellow sheet, and no, a white sheet of stickers. But we don't have, oh, this is it. It's black. I'm just kidding. For whatever reason, I remembered white. Is it a Mandela effect? Yeah, so then you flip this out and you have like a whole space to create your creations. That's actually pretty cool. I feel like this would actually be like good to have on the go, just if you wanted something like teeny tiny that was like a stress relieving kind of thing, like something to focus on. Which, like I said, I feel like you can buy each of these items separately if just, this feels too heavy to be a Care Bear. If just like one thing appeals to you. Oh no. Is it a duplicate? I kind of think it is. Oh no. Oh, it's something different. This felt exactly the same as the color form. That's why I thought this was a board game. You guys, I'm honestly interested in how does this function? It is a mini tiny Scrabble, but how on earth would this be even slightly playable? I'm about to mess up my shrimp nails. I'm trying to open it up. Woo, okay. There is a teeny tiny little Scrabble board. So clearly, oh my gosh, this is hilarious. This is interesting. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're magnetic. Look at this. So you get all of these different sheets. The board is magnetic. The magnets are magnetic. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. I thought it was gonna be like kind of silly, because like I thought, like, how would you ever? So the only thing is, this is definitely like a keychain spot, I think. So definitely wish it came with a keychain. I feel like, once again, I have seen like world's smallest of all of the board games, and normally they are keychains. So let me spell something really quick. I was gonna try and spell banana peppers. But then I realized that banana and peppers shares no common words, so I was trying to change it to bananas peppers. But then we don't have enough P's to spell peppers, so it came out as banana peepers. And I'm embarrassed to admit, I just had to Google if peppers had 2 P's in the middle. Isn't that weird? You can't spell peppers with this game. So maybe that is like the only difference, is maybe they don't give you like the same number, because I'm pretty sure you can spell peppers in the full-sized Scrabble game. Either way, let us now look at the chart and see if there is different rarenesses. Oh my gosh. What is going on here? This is wild and crazy. Have I had this exact experience before? I feel like anytime we open anything that's like world's smallest, I am just blown away. Look at this. These are all world's smallest items, front and back. I feel like the only thing that's a little bit different is like the, okay. So once you get to like here, it's all the wacky packages stuff, which we've opened wacky packages a couple times. Then there's the one that we've done once, which is kind of similar to these micro toy box, except for they're even smaller. They're smaller somehow than the world's smallest. Then they have like these sound effects, talking keychains. And then these, which I think we have a couple of that are so cool as well, that are called Tiny Arcade. But yeah, this is kind of an interesting chart, because I feel like they don't tell you like which ones you can actually get in here. Because like I said, like on the box, like I've now looked 3 times and the foam alive is definitely nowhere on the box. But yet we got one today. So I'm kind of wondering, maybe y'all can answer this question in the comments down below. Like, can we actually in these mystery mini boxes get any of the world's smallest miniatures? That would be so cool. I feel like then you would almost have like, I don't know, like it would be like endlessly trying to collect them all. But yeah, there are some on here that are so cool that I like did not even know. A Hello Kitty calculator. These I've honestly thought about getting several times. They have like the classic horror characters, like itty bitty teeny tiny little action figures. I would love to know, as usual, all your thoughts and opinions. Which one did you think was the coolest today? And should we unbox more of these? I really like these. You guys know I am just obsessed with miniatures. I love everything like when it's even tinier. I think it's like a lot cuter for whatever reason. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!